to lesson 2. In this lesson, students are going to be doing a card sort to make meaning of what they're learning. All right, so in your kit for this lesson, you're gonna find the pack of the living cards, and the students are going to have to sort these into 3 different groups. Now this works best in groups of 4, and it's easy to separate the cards before you get started. Here's an example of how the cards come in the plastic bag in the box. We found it helpful that if you're able to sort the cards ahead of time for each group, it really makes a big difference. So as you can see, all these cards are different. Some are living, some are non-living. Once you get to the little blue divider or colored paper divider, that means that this is one group for one group of 4 students. You may want to separate them into plastic baggies for each group, and on the back of each card, maybe number each card for each group. That way, if they get lost, we'll be able to find where they go back to. Okay, so students may be finding it hard to sort because there are animals and there are plants and there is a human. So if they sort them into 3 different categories, you're going to want to have them discuss why they chose to put them this way. For example, if they put the frog and the otter together, they're going to have to say that they believe that both of these are animals. And then this here is a plant. And a human is different than a plant and an animal. As students are sorting, you're not going to want to tell them which groups to put the cards into. The idea is that you're looking at their thinking as they decide what's going to go with what. You have some things that are non-living, so that might be a group as well. After the students are done with their card sort for lesson 2, you're going to want to have them discuss how they sorted their cards. They then can complete the activity here to reflect. And there's also an extension activity where they're looking at 2 bears and deciding how they compare and contrast.